Here at the garage at home. Currently trying to replace the rear deck speakers. And to do that, you have to pull out like 90% of the interior. I had to pull almost the entire trunk out. The only thing that's left is the mat. I had to pull the back seats out. I had to pull the sides out. Like both sides completely out. Let me turn the light on. Completely out, just to get the rear deck out. I had to disconnect the seat belts, like completely, for the front and back. The back, I was expecting that. For the front, like completely is taken out. I might replace those speakers too, because I think one of them is blown. But I got some pretty sweet speakers for the rear deck. Best part though, I only broke all these clips. Are all still good. I think I only broke one of them. Let me find it. Yeah, this one. All of them still have the middle part in good condition and all the push clips. That one. It's the only one that broke, so I'm pretty stoked on that. Alright, so here are the speakers that I got. I got some old school Carrozzeria's TSR 700s. They're the pretty cool ones that light up, where the word actually lights up on it. That'll light up blue, but not only that, these are a custom one-of-one set that I got off Yahoo auctions from Japan, and that actually is switched out for some sequential LEDs that I can wire into my brake light and turn signals. So I'll show you that once it's done. These should be pretty easy to just put into the rear deck, because I can just unscrew these hose covers out from the bottom, and I can just use these two holes to line up the mounting bar that I have to bolt onto the back of this to hold it flat. First coat on the A-pillars. After a few coats, A-pillars are almost fully black. You can still kind of see tan when the sun hits it, even though it won't look like that in the car. I'm still probably gonna do another coat or two because I still paint. The speakers don't fit, so I gotta put the old ones back. A-pillars are in. They look pretty good. Working on the B/C pillars now. Just did probably the last coat. Just gonna let them dry and we'll throw them in. All right, so a couple days later, got the interior all put back together. The speakers didn't fit because the rear glass is so angled down, but I kind of had a feeling that was gonna happen, and Cooper said if they didn't fit, he would buy them off me, so in the future you'll see those going in the SC. But since I had all of it out, I thought, why not paint the pillars black? It looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'll go back. Summer job, I'm gonna do the headliner, so it'll fully be black, and I'll do the seat belts and that little cover back there, but this is a big change. I'm happy with it. Upcoming videos, we got Cooper with a musical horn on the SC, and then underglow on this. I'm gonna get some GK Tech mirrors and I'll paint match those. So that'll be another video. Got a whole bunch of stuff coming.